Hi, this is the Galaxy Tab S9 and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to the sound section to volume. To unmute ringtone volume, slide to the right side this blue dot. Also we could make it by another way. We could switch it with the help of the volume buttons, but first be sure that this switcher is turned off to use volume buttons to change the ringtone. And now just press down volume button and we could see that we just successfully unmuted the ringtone volume. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.